start off by mixing our dry ingredients together. We're gonna add some salt, some nutmeg, baking powder. We're just gonna mix this around real quick. All right guys, so we're just gonna move on to the wet ingredients and we'll go from there. All right, so the butter is already melted. We're gonna add some stout. You could use either Guinness or Dragon, whichever you prefer. A little bit of red wine. Mix it around a little bit. Add some sugar, brown sugar. Just make sure you mix out all the sugar. Make sure everything dissolves properly. Alright, so right now I'm just going to add some mixed spice. About a tablespoon. About a half tablespoon of vanilla. Well, the mixed spice is basically a combination of cinnamon powder, nutmeg, cloves, and a few other ingredients. Alright, so I'm just going to add some mixed fruit mix. We're just going to add all the other ingredients to this nice little mixture that we have going on. And this is my raisin, previously soaked in red wine. Once this mixture comes to a boil, turn your stove off and allow it to cool. Alright, so go ahead and add your beaten eggs. Well, it's one egg. Next step is to add your milk. This is 1 cup of milk. Now it's time to add all this liquid, all the wet stuff, wet ingredient. All right, time to add some browning. You can always add more browning depending on if you like your bun to be darker. I like my bun to be on the darker side, so I'll say about 3 tablespoons of browning. Should give you that nice dark spice bun color. It's looking good. Give this batter a nice little taste. Alright guys, so we're just gonna bake our spice bun for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright. Alright, so you want to fill your pan up about 3/4 of the way, you know? Not all the way up. Right, that's all. Yeah. Then we're gonna top this off with some more fruit mix. Put it in the oven and let it bake for a good hour, and we should be good from there.